Let's be honest, being unstoppable in today's modern work environment can be a bit of a challenge. Noise, you see, can be a real nuisance, and it can end up being a battle to be heard on calls. That's why Jabra created Evolve3, featuring our revolutionary ClearVoice technology. Developed with deep neural networks trained in over 60 million sentences. Our microphones and smart algorithms form a beam that locks onto your voice, isolating it from all the chaos around you. Pretty neat, right? But how do you really sound when faced with some of office life's most annoying noises? There's only one way to find out. Let's put Evolve3 to the test and battle it out. There could be only one winner. All I can say is bring it on. This is Loud Laura.
David, yes. Oh, thanks for
Maximum
calling me back
volume,
finally.
minimum awareness.
I know. You call me.
We all have
I call
colleagues
you,
like
who knows?
these
Anyway, the
that are
reason
the
I was
loudest.
calling was just to
And
find
Laura
out
here
whether or not
is one of the
proposal
loudest.
is finished, because we really needed it by the end of the week.
But with Jabra Evolve3 and ClearVoice technology, even standing next to her,
And all that noise.
Oh, thank God.
the only thing that comes through on my call is my voice.
Maintenance Mondays, facilities Fridays, and somewhere, a power drill. This is Millie from maintenance, and she just loves creating noisy chaos.
But with Jabra Evolve3 and ClearVoice beamforming technology, even power tools don't drill into your conversation. It's like an invisible mic arm locked onto your voice.
See if that shelf had to be put up now. Millie,
And her power tool are basically invisible. At the other end of this call, just me.
furry, check. Loud, check. This is Max, the office dog. High on cuteness, even higher on noise. But Max doesn't care if I've got meetings.
But with Jabra Evolve3 and AI-trained voice pickup, even the highest pitched interruptions lose their bite.
So ask Max, thinks it's playtime. And the other end of this call,
It's still work time. Walkies.
when the office music turns into a full-blown concert. And playlist Polly here is playing her new favorite song on repeat.
Jabra Evolve3 keeps your voice center stage. Thanks to precision multi-mic array, all they hear is you, not the band.
There's no counter for taste these days.
I prefer Alma B, me.
Offices are noisy. Cafés are even worse. Meet Bella the Barista. I hear she makes a mean mocha and a lot of noise.
But with Jabra Evolve3, intelligent microphones and smart algorithms, I focus on what matters, your voice.
And less on noisy Bella's cafe.
I'll have a latte, please. Chaos on this side, clarity on the other.
So there you have it. Evolve 3 is the clear winner. Wherever you work, whoever you work with Jabra ClearVoice technology, your voice remains front and center. Louder than the chaos, smarter than the noise.